It's a shame this isn't already all voiced, should I say. Oh, so this is the museum. I see, I see. An M388 Davy Crockett tactical nuke in perfect shape for the last 150 years. A bright red button blinks silently on the control panel below the launching mechanism. I wonder if this button still works. Ay, 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 ay. 2 weeks to go. And there we go, that's the end of the game. They did say it was in perfect working order, I suppose. But I love the way that that's just game over. Love it. I wonder if they'll let me continue from where I was. Oh, that was funny. That was hilarious. And on that note, I'm going to go and grab myself another cup of coffee. I'll be right back.